Hello again and welcome to another unboxing video. This time, as you can see, it's a box that's been well travelled, and Customs has decided to have a good look at it and check it all out. So let's see about opening the box up to find out exactly what's in it. And needless to say, with the amount of tape that's been put on the box, it's a bit difficult to find where the edges are, so we'll just take our time, work our way around each of the edges until we can actually get the box opened. And yep, we get a wee bit at the front there, which looks as though that will just pop open. Yep, final check. And here we go. Voila, it's opened. So let's see what we've got inside. So let's have a little look at the instructions, and as you can see, it's the instructions for a MakerBot Digitizer. Quite easy to understand, step by step, so that should only take me a couple of seconds to go through that and set the thing up. Get the instructions out the road, and let's see what's in the box here, where you've got the instructions. Again, very well produced, very nice quality. We'll have a little look at that later on. And next item. It's not a UK power plug, but we don't really care about that. We'll get some spare ones kicking about. Or at least it's worth knowing. And we've got a USB lead. I'll plug into the back. And what else we got? We've got the power adapter, so there we go, we can just put our kettle lead into that and power it up. And then we've got a little bag which has got an Allen key and 4 rubber feet. And finally we have a rather strange looking contraption, which that's actually used for aligning the lasers, believe it or not. So finally, now we've got all of the stuff out the road, let's get the device itself out. Get a little letter enclosed. That's addressed to the gentleman that purchased this. So let's get the protection off. Quite light, a lot lighter than I thought. And finally, let's get it out of the rather noisy plastic bag. And there you go, you can see it in its glory, the MakerBot Digitizer. Yep, 3D scanner. It looks like an old hi-fi turntable actually. Quite appropriate really. Underneath there's the 4 holes for the rubber feet, and at the back we've got the USB hole, the power adapter and the on-off switch. So it all seems pretty straightforward. We've got some screws at the back there. Absolutely no idea what those are for yet, but I'll read the instructions later. And at the back, made in Brooklyn, USA, serial number, etc. So we'll just see about putting on the 4 rubber feet. Shouldn't be that difficult to do. And we'll see about setting the thing up, trying it out, and see how we get on with the MakerBot Digitizer. Thanks very much for watching the unboxing video. Hopefully it's quite interesting, and come back again and maybe we'll show you some examples of it scanning. Thanks. Well, if you're still with us, you can see the excitement of the calibration of the scanner. What we have to do is get it in point A, pop it into the middle, and wait for the scanner to do a full 360 scan of the object there. I'll speed things up a wee bit because this does take quite a wee bit of time. And once that bit's done, we look for the letter B and put it back on. And as you can see, it's a slightly different position. And try to find a little lug to plug it into is a bit tricky, but there we go, we've got it in place. Once again, we start the software and let it scan the second bit. And we'll save you the torturous wait while it does it and speed things up for you. Trust me, you should be glad I've sped that up. And the final part, we have to take a section out and then pop that back into the middle. You can see the A and the B on the back bit there, which we used initially. And this is the longest part, so once again we'll speed things up. And believe me, this is sped up. So it will take a wee bit of time, but once it's done, that's it. Just as long as you don't alter the lighting, really move it, etc. And there you go. So once this is actually completed, that's the scanner ready to go, we can start using it. So we're going to test this out and see how we get on. Thanks for watching.